Welcome back. We have more breaking news right now. The Supreme Court is set to hear arguments over a law that would ban TikTok if it's not sold to an American company. The move comes after TikTok filed an emergency appeal asking the court to block the law. ABC News contributor and Google Tech Policy Fellow Mike Muse joins me now with more.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yeah.
We'll get to ChatGPT in a minute, as we were planning, but there's breaking news. So what is the court looking at here?
The court is looking at taking up this case. And let me tell you, Phil, I just wanted to say, I bet every TikToker woke up this morning seeing this news and are super excited for this. I knew the Supreme Court would have to take on this case because of the fact that over 130 million Americans use TikTok. TikTok isn't just for dances, as a lot of people think that it is. It's how small businesses are able to attract new customers and new businesses. It's amazing living in New York City now. You see so many small businesses like bagel shops and candy stores. The lines are wrapped around the corner, around the block, all because people are starting to hear about their businesses from TikTok. A lot of Americans, too, now also to receive their news from TikTok. And so TikTok now has become this much more evolved system than that. And so with that responsibility, I really felt like the Supreme Court had to take on this case and really ask more questions of the federal government about the questions why. And if it is about national security, how are they looking at other companies and not singling out TikTok, other companies like Temu and Shein?
Yeah, you've been saying that every time you and I have this conversation. Yeah. Why TikTok? Why not others?
Because that baffles me, Phil. They're always saying that TikTok has a security threat, propaganda, misinformation, but we've already seen that with other social media platforms like Facebook and X, formerly known as Twitter. Also, too, in terms of TikTok, Shein and Temu also do has your personal biographical details, your home address, your cell phone number, your credit card information, even more ways that can be targeted as a threat to national intelligence. And so for me, it wasn't equitable. And so because it wasn't equitable, it remained the question for me, then why?
Understood.